Hi. So let's begin with one more lesson of Arabic speaking course. Uh, and this time we'll start with the scenario-based learning, right? So in this video, we will learn how to converse inside a restaurant in Arabic, right? So before we move into the conversation, let's look at the vocabulary words that you will need. The first one is mat'am. Mat, mat'am. Say it 5 times. Mat'am. Mat'am means restaurant. Mat'am means restaurant. Mat'am, restaurant. Then comes the word zaboon. 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 Zaboon means customer. Then nadil. Nadil means waiter. And then this important word qaima. 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 Qaima means the menu. And then comes the word at-ta'am. 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 At-ta'am means the food. Then this word is easy. You have learned this word before as well. Marhaban. Marhaban means hello or welcome. Marhaban. Kaifa, we have done this, means kaifa means how. Astatiya, it's a good word. Astatiya. Learn this. Astatiya uh, means I can. Astatiya, ending with a I sound. Astatiya, I can. Then comes the word musa'ada. 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 Musa'ada means help in Arabic. Musa'ada. Then comes the word, famous word, min fadlik. Now, min fadlik literally means from your favor, but we use it for please. Min fadlik is used for the word please. Min fadlik. And tafaddal means tafadd, tafaddal. Tafaddal means here you go or please go ahead. This is a word which conveys the meaning of here you go or please go ahead. So when you say tafaddal, it would mean either here you go or please go ahead, right? This word is used for giving respect to somebody. Tafaddal, here you go, tafaddal, or please go ahead. Then comes the word, we have done this, hazihi. Hazihi is used for this, but for feminine. Now, hazihi means this, but it is referring to feminine. And haza means again this, but for masculine. Then comes the word maza. We have done this, means what. Then this word is very good. Learn this word. Tansahuni. Tansahuni. Tansahuni means do you recommend to me? Tansahuni. Ta is for you. Ta is for you. Ansahu means you recommend. Tansahu means you recommend. Ni means to me. So tansahuni would become do you recommend to me? Then comes the word ujarrib. Ujarrib means I try. Ujarrib, ujarrib, ujarrib means I try. Then comes the word ansahuka. Now, I have told you in the previous lecture that when the word is ending with ka means to you, and e means to me, right? When the word is ending with e, it conveys the meaning of me. And when the word is ending with this ka, it means we are talking about you, the second person, right? So Ansahu means I recommend, and Tansahu means you recommend. Ansahu ka means I recommend to you. And the judge means chicken, right? So learn these vocabulary. We will be using these vocabulary in the future conversation in a short while. So learn them. Then comes this important word, mashvi. Mashvi. Mashvi means grilled. Mashvi means grilled. Innahu, inna, inna means indeed, and who means it is. Innahu means indeed it is. Laziz, delicious. Sa'akhuz, sa'akhuz in Arabic means I take. Akhuz, akhuz in Arabic means I take. And when we add the word sa with it, it would become the future tense. So sa akhuz means I will take. Akhuz means I take. Sa akhuz means I will take. Verb used for and. We have done this. Asir, asir, a, sir means juice. Then talab, talab means order. Talab means order. Sayakun means will be. So yakun means be. Sa, when we add the word sa with it, it becomes the future tense. Will be. Sayakun. Learn this word sayakun. It is a very commonly used word in Arabic conversations. Sayakun. Sayakun means will be. Jahiz. Jahiz means ready. Khilal. Khilal means khilal. Khilal means within. Khilal means within. Ashar, we have done this means 10. And daqaiq, we have done this means minutes. Jazilan means very much. Jazilan means very much. And the word jiddan means we have done this means very. So if we want to say very much, we would use the word jazilan. And if we want to use the word just very, we will use the word jiddan in Arabic. Then comes the word burtuqal. Burtuqal is used for orange in Arabic. Burtuqal. Burtuqal. Then comes the word shay. Shay means thing. Shay, learn this word again, a very common word in Arabic. Shay, thing. Akhar, again a common word, another. Or akhar means else as well. La means we have done this, no. Shukran, we have done this, thank you. Kafin means enough. Kafin means enough. Now let's start with the conversation. So, An-Nadil, An-Nadil is the waiter. We have done this. We have just now studied An-Nadil means waiter and Az-Zabun means customer, right? So, Nadil is the, sorry, waiter, not customer, waiter. Az-Zabun is the customer. So, the Nadil comes in the restaurant and asks you, Marhaban, كيف أستطيع مساعدتك? كيف أستطيع مساعدتك? Marhaban means hello or welcome. Kaifa means how. Astati' means can I or I can. Musa'adatak means help you. Musa'adat means help or it is ending with ka, so it means you. You is coming from this ending of ka, right? Then az-zamun, that is you, uh, customer, will say marhaban, hello. Uridu, uridu, we have done this word uridu. It means I want or I would like. Uridu literally means the word uridu means I want. So uridu means I want. Qaima means the menu. At means food. So marhaban uridu qaimat at means I want the food menu. Min fadlik, please. Then the nadil says tafaddal. Tafaddal meaning here you go. Hazihi meaning this. Qaimat at this is the menu. Basically, it would become this is the menu of food or this is the food menu. Then a zaboon, uh, that is the customer, yourself, you would say to the waiter, Maza tansahuni an ujarrib. Maza meaning what? Tansahuni, do you recommend me or you recommend me? An is for two. The word an is used for two in Arabic. An ujarrib means try. Ujarrib means I try. So the whole sentence would become Maza tansahuni an ujarrib, meaning what do you recommend me to try? So then the Nadil would say Ansahuka, I recommend you. Ansahuka meaning I recommend you bid bidajalil, bidajajil mashwi. I recommend you. The judge means chicken. and al-mashwi means grilled. So dajaj al-mashwi would mean grilled chicken. So he's saying, the waiter is saying, Ansauka bid dajaj al-mashwi. I recommend the grilled chicken. Innahu lazizun jiddan. Innahu meaning it is. Lazizun, delicious. Jiddan, very. So innahu lazizun jiddan means it is very delicious, right? So then the customer would say hasanan. Again, a very good word in Arabic conversation. Hasanan. Okay. A very commonly used word in Arabic. Hasanan. Okay. Sa'akhudu. Sa'akhudu means I will have or I will take a dajaj al mashwi. I will take the chicken grilled. Mashwi means grilled. Dajaj means chicken. So we or the customer would say, Hasan, sa'akhudu ad-dajaj al-mashwi wa and asir al-burtuqal. Asira means juice and burtuqal means al-burtuqal means the orange. So we are saying that I would have the grilled chicken, meaning dajaj al-mashwi and wa asir al-burtuqal and orange juice. Burtuqal means orange and asir we have just now read means juice. So the Nabil would say, هل تريد شيئا آخر? هل تريد شيئا آخر? هل means do you or would you? تريد means you want. شيئا meaning anything else. آخر means else or anything besides it. آخر means else, right? And شيء or شيئا means anything or just thing. So the waiter is asking, هل تريد شيئا آخر? Do you want anything else? Hal means do you, turidu means you want, shay'an means anything, akhar means else. So we as Zaboon would say, customer would say la. La means no. Shukran. Thank you. Haza kafin. Haza matlab, haza means that and kafin means that's enough. Right? So this is how the conversation in Arabic works. So if you know the vocabulary, it would be easier to talk in Arabic. So I would really recommend you to first learn the vocabulary beforehand, right? So the zaboon or the customer says, no, thank you, that's enough. Meaning, la shukran, haza kafin. Then the waiter, Anadil says, okay. Hasanan means okay. Uh, Tolabuka, Tolab means order, and ka means your order. Tolabuka, your order. Sayakunu. Sayakunu means will be. Jahizan, Jahizan, Hilal. Jahizan means ready. And Khilal means within. And Ashr means 10 within. Jahizan Khilala Ashri Daqaik. Ashri means 10. Daqaik means minutes. So the waiter is saying, Hasanan, Talabuka sayakunu jahizan khilala ashri daqaik. Meaning, okay, your order will be ready within 10 minutes. Then the customer, that is yourself, would say, Shukran jazilan. Meaning, thank you very much. Very much is coming from jazilan, and shukran is thank you. Right? That's all. Subscribe and share.